1, 2, come follow me. 3, 4, clap happily. 5, 6, tap your feet. 7, 8, feel the beat. 9 and 10, shout hooray. Animal friends are here to play.
One big lion, roar so loud. Shake your mane and feel so proud.
2 small ducks go quack, quack, quack. Flap your wings and wiggle back. 1, 2, dance with me. Jump and clap so happily. 1, 2, spin around. Happy feet on dancing ground.
3 green frogs jump up high. Boing, boing, boing into the sky.
4 tall giraffes stretch up slow. Reach up high then bend down low.
3, 4, dance some more.
Tap, tap, tap upon the floor.
3, 4, laugh and play. Smiling all the way today.
5 fun monkeys swing in line. Clap your hands and feel so fine.
6 big elephants stomp the ground. Swing their trunks all around.
5, 6 dancing tricks. Jump up high and do small kicks. 5, 6 move like this. Dancing brings a happy bliss.
7 bright tigers tiptoe slow. Swish their tails and softly go.
8 fast horses gallop away. Run, 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 let's all play.
7, 8, feeling great. Gallop, giggle, celebrate.
7, 8 clap in time.
Dancing to the happy rhyme.
9 small birds flap to the sky. Wave your arms and fly, fly, fly.
10 sweet puppies jump and cheer. Woof, 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 friends are here.
9 and 10 dance again. All the animals are our friends.
1, 2,